Okay, everyone, this is 1130 Crease Street in the Fishtown section of Philadelphia. It's a smaller street in the city, so it's not traveled as frequently and it's quieter. That right there is Girard Avenue, so super close. And we're only a block and a half, 2 blocks from Frankfurt and Girard, where there's tons of restaurants, bars, coffee shops that run all along Frankfurt Avenue and Girard Avenue. It's a very nice street, very quaint and cozy. What's great about this house is it's really a twin home. In a sense, it's a corner house in the center of the block. And it also, unlike many homes in Philly, has a front yard and a backyard. A number of houses have front yards, rear yards, but not a lot of houses in Philly have front yards. So it's a really nice place to have a cup of coffee, have a little picnic. Just really cozy and quaint. And the owner was smart in that they installed a side gate that's very private and safe and tall. So not only do you have, like I said, a front yard and a rear yard, you also have this side alley, which is really wide. And it allows you to bring, you put your trash out during the week here in this private blocked off area, then you can take it through your gate right there. So that's your private gate. Tall, very safe, automatically locks, as you may have just heard. And again, what's great about this house is that it has windows along the side. House has central heat and central air, so it's really comfortable year round. Really nice for your patio. Sliding glass doors out the back, which we'll show you very soon. Okay, I'm gonna take you back out this way and then walk you in the front door. If you're not super familiar with Philly, this is easily one of the best neighborhoods in the city. And what's great is that you live so close to the main commercial corridor of this section of the city that, it's probably a walk score of 100. Now I'm gonna put the keypad into the deadbolt. What's great is this house has a deadbolt padlock, so you can easily access your front door without a key. All right, so first thing you notice is there's a lot of natural light throughout the home, but especially on this floor because you have windows along the side, a sliding glass door in the back, as I said. So it's really bright and light. This is a great living area. Nice flooring. Landlord has installed a dishwasher here, right off the kitchen. That's super convenient. Even more countertop space is created from that. I just shut the basement door to give you a little better feel of the size of this living area. It's really spacious. It's It's an old fireplace right there, not in use. And then back to the left here is your kitchen. Beautiful tile floor, exposed brick, lots of natural light. Tons of countertop space and cabinets. So this is a huge space here. Could easily put a dining room table, you know, an additional island, like, you know, movable island, like those ones that IKEA sells. You can get really anywhere. Gas range and oven. There's a hood, sink, exposed beams, which is very cool. And again, I've shown you the backyard, but it's right out through here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second and third floor, and then the basement last. So in the basement, there's your HVAC, your hot water heater, your clothes washer and dryer. There's nice handles here to assist with the stairs. It's an unfinished basement, but really high ceilings. And the last tenants even used it as a gym. So it's unfinished, but you know, very usable and very high ceilings. So this is your first bedroom. Really nice size. Nice ceiling height. Again, because it's a corner house, technically, within the middle of the block, you have lots of windows. You have a closet there. This bedroom has a set of double doors coming in. This is your bathroom. You have a nice vanity, medicine cabinet, more than sufficient lighting. There's a bathroom vent, toilet, shower tub combo, as we like to call it, with nice tile surround. You have additional storage space here with an outlet that makes it nice for toiletries and things like that, or anything you might need. And again, another window. Value of being in a twin home. Back here is another bedroom. This is a really nice size. Some exposed brick. It's a pitched ceiling, but the room feels like a very nice size. Close the door to give you the best angle I can. We'll also have a floor plan for you to view, so make sure to request that if you haven't seen it already. We send it whenever we send the walkthrough video. Again, really nice space, tons of natural light with these two windows, or rather there's 3 windows in this room. Your neighbors are really nice. It's a nice family that lives next door. Okay, now to your third bedroom. Really nice handrails here to easily navigate the stairs. Okay. Your third and last bedroom. Again, another window to view into the backyard. You can see the skyline from here. Also very close to here is the Metro North, the Market Frankford line stop that's located Girard and Frankford. Again, only about less than 2 blocks from here, and there's a Market Frankford line stop that's at Front Street that can easily take you downtown in, 15 minutes or less. It's a really nice sized room. Very cool exposed beams, pitch ceiling. Tons of room and space for really any configuration you'd like. Getting low here to show you everything. Okay, now, and there's also some, like a cubby up there that you could, in theory, use for some storage. Now, we're gonna take you through down the stairs into the basement. Okay, we've been here already. Just showing you one more time. And now into the basement, which is this door here. Okay, again, really high ceilings in this basement. Fantastic washer dryer. It's your electric panel, gas meter. It's your hot water heater and HVAC system. Super clean. Landlords own the property for a number of years and rent it out to tenants. And that's the house. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Reach out ASAP if you're interested. We'd love to take you through personally, or you can apply after seeing the video. And, I thank you for watching and hope you have a great rest of your day.